Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Cancer Placements. This is your general and the person on your mind reading. Okay, ngayong June. Ngayong month of June. Oo, so tingnan natin ano bang energy surrounding you. Okay, so syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin sa ating mga items. Kung meron kayong tanong pagdating sa protection from evil eye, okay, itong ring natin. This is adjustable, by the way, yung ring. Okay, and yeah, meron tayong bracelet and necklace na evil eye protection, okay? And syempre, pagdating sa love, sa mga connection ninyo, romantic, okay? So, siya magpo-provide, okay, ng kailangan sa situation ninyo and mag-aalis ng mga dapat alisin, okay? And yung ating granter necklace, yeah. So, ganyan siya. This is made to order and unisex. Okay, yung ating granter necklace. And syempre, yung atin namang cord cutting. So, yeah, they're all available. Just message me if you're interested. Okay, so let's see what's for you, Cancer. For the month of June, in general. What's for you? Okay. Tower. Tower moment. Okay. Tower, sabihin natin, hindi naman yan palaging masama. This is like unexpected. Unexpected. So, what's this? The Queen of Swords. Okay. Ito this is, sabihin natin, hindi mo akalain na ma-approve ka. Okay, mga ganyan. Hindi mo akalain na ma-accept ka. Hindi mo akalaing ma-hired ka. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Some of you, may chance na meron kang mga ika-cut off. Situations, ties, person. Okay? Relation. Could be. So, yeah. Yeah, cutting. So, Ace of Swords in reversed. Parang meron ditong sitwasyon na pwedeng mangyari like hindi ka handa eh. You're not ready for this. Kung ano man to. Okay? Pero sabihin nating pipiliin mong maging handa. Parang ganon. What's with this Ace of Swords in reversed? Four of Wands. Some of you, I'm hearing lies sa isang connection. I don't know, sana hindi to cheating. The Two of Pentacles. Somebody's juggling. Could be a situation na parang hindi na stable. Yun yung parang ika-cut off or i-end. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. Burden. Okay. So, kailangan i-cut off kasi magsisilbing parang pabigat na lang kung tutuusin. Kung ito naman ay hindi relationship, some of you, I'm seeing some of you resigning. Okay? Ace of Swords, please, in reverse. What's this? King of Wands. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. Avoid arguments with a boss or sa kung sino man ang nagmamanage. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay? Kasi mababaliktad ka eh. May chance mabaliktad ka. Some of you, Nandoon yung energy na parang if you are expecting na ma-regular sa work, I'm sensing na there's this person na pwedeng sinasabotahe yung evaluation kung ano meron. Like, andun yung word na personalan. Okay? So, there. That's specific. Not for all. So, what else? Excuse me. Cancer. The Five of Pentacles. Beware of scam. Okay, scammers. Scams. What's with this Five of Pentacles? Four of Swords in reversed. Mayroong hihiram ng pera sa'yo. That's specific. Okay? May hihiram ng pera sa'yo. Ang mahirap dito, baka kalimutan. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Baka hindi magbayad. That's specific, not for all. Okay? Some of you talaga meron kayong mga i-end at may mga kakalimutan. That's general. Para makausad, para mas makagawa, or you have to end. Okay? Kung ano man yung sitwasyon na kailangan na talagang i-end at kalimutan para makagawa ka, para makarelease ka. Okay? So, yeah, the Hierophant. It's like, responsibilidad mo sa sarili mo, no? So, kung wala kang gagawin pagdating sa sarili mo, walang pag-usad eh. Yeah, that's general. Okay? So, yun ang mensahe para sa'yo ngayong June. So, let's see. The person on your mind, Cancer. The person on your mind. Who is this? Tingnan natin kung ano magiging takbuhan ng inyong connection ngayong June. Let's see, who is this? Okay, the Ace of Swords. Could be a new person or new connection. There's communication here. That's the Ace of Swords. Strength. Oh, is this a controller? Some of them maganon. Okay? Pwedeng nasa small circle, sabihin natin, kakilala ng friend mo, meron kayong mga kakilala, like sabihin natin, small circle of friends. Parang ganyan. So, may mga mutual friends kayo, I think, itong taong to. Yeah, there's this connection. Some of them, matapang magsalita. Yeah, matapang. Or talagang sabihin natin mukha lang matapang. I don't know. Okay. So, what's the situation? Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation ninyo, Cancer? The Emperor in reversed. So, there's this immaturity. Controlling. Yeah, the Magician. The Hierophant in reversed. Situation, sabihin nating somebody is hindi talaga totally ready sa connection nyo na to. So, or I don't know who. Kung sino ang hindi ready dito. Okay, maybe. Kasi, sabihin nating hindi kailangan ng pagmamanipula or hindi kailangan ng pangongontrol. Kasi ang nakikita ko, it's like hindi balance eh. I think this is bago. Parang ganyan. Trying to avoid, sabihin nating unhealthy na connection. Parang ganyan. No? So that is why, andun yung parang force. A connection na parang finors lang. Ito ba yun? Parang pinilit lang. Well, I don't know kung anong mga dahilan ninyo kung bakit kayo pumasok sa isang connection na parang pilit lang. Kanya-kanya. Okay? Kanya-kanya ng dahilan. Anyway, sandali lang po ha. Okay. So, ang galing. Diba? Ang galing. Isang pilit na connection. Oo, parang ganyan. I don't know why. Bakit kailangang pilit? Bakit kailangang forced itong connection nyo na to? Parang, yeah. Kasi hindi naman totally ready. Hindi ready. Parang meron lang talagang gustong iwan. Or parang gusto lang merong shred. No? Parang ganyan. The word shred. Sa past. Let's see. Anong emotion niya for you, Cancer? Anong emotion niya? Ng tao, nakakonect mo ngayon. May communication kayo, ha? Okay? Sa iba sa inyo, itong taong to specifically, lagi itong nangihingi ng reply. Okay? Lagi siyang nanghihingi, nag-aantay. Andun yung eagerness ng taong to na lagi lang kayong dapat magka-connect or magka-communicate. Something like that. Anyway, what is their emotion for you, Cancer? What is their emotion? The moon in reverse. They're sad. Andun yung energy ng parang hindi complete or yun nga, parang may kulang. Cancer, are you okay? So, the moon in reversed, yeah, and the Queen of Cups in reversed. Bakit Aries? I don't know. Pwedeng Aries tong kakonek mo, no? So, Cancer, emosyon ng taong to, kailangan niyang parang maging madamot, no? Pagdating sa'yo, I don't know, parang kailangan niyang ipagdamot ka. Kasi andun yung emosyon ng tao na parang hindi siya nakakasiguro sa'yo. Yes, hindi siya nakakasiguro sa'yo. Yeah, the 5 of Wands, the 2 of Wands, this is 7 of Wands. So there's this energy of blockages. Like maybe, ang nararamdaman niya sa'yo is hindi ka totally into this. That is why there's tension. Okay? Yeah, the 3 of Pentacles in reverse. May chance na kung may mangyari lang kaunting issue, pwedeng sumablay ito, pwedeng lumagapak to eh. Parang ganyan. No, so yeah, parang kailangan kanyang ipagdamot or mararamdaman mo na parang hindi siya totally like mature pagdating sa connection na to. Hindi ko siya masisisi kasi parang yes, meron siyang nakikitang something sa'yo na there's this odd feeling na parang is there something wrong? Parang ganyan. Yan kasi. Bakit kasi pinipilit? Okay, so Cancer, ano bang tingin mo dito sa taong to? Anong tingin mo? Anong tingin mo sa kanya? Ten of Swords in reversed. Some of you are not healed. Okay? The Ten of Swords in reversed and yeah, the 4 of Wands. Hindi mo naman nakikita yung tao na pwede mong makasama forever. Okay? You're just sad. Actually, the 4 of Cups. Some of you are just sad, depressed. So, ang tingin mo sa kanya is pwedeng, okay, pwede ako dito makipag-connect para hindi ako masyadong malungkot, malumbay. If this is not, again, your reading, this is not your read, wag mong i-claim, wag mong i-try i-fit yung sarili mo sa sinasabi ko. Okay, kung alam mong reversed yung energy, then okay, that's good. Pero kung wala ni isa na makaresonate dito sa connection, dito sa reading, wag mo i-try, wag mo i-fit, okay? Wag mo ipilit. Ha? Okay, so yeah, you see them as something or somebody na pwedeng for short term lang. Oo, you see this person na pang short term lamang. Gusto mo lang ng parang escape. Okay, so let's see what's their next action towards you, Cancer. What is their next action towards you? The 6 of Cups. Itong taong to, gusto nito ng long term with you. Paano yan? Paano yan? Okay. So, ito ka. Naka-reverse. Cancer. This is you. Chariot in reverse. Meaning, some of you, hindi pa rin totally healed. O hindi pa rin nakaka-move on sa kung ano man. May chance na pwedeng makasabotahe ito sa kung anumang connection meron sa inyo ngayon. See? The star in reverse. Diba? Pinapakita sa'yo. I think this is like a personal reading. So, ano tong next action niya? So, six of cups. And the wheel of fortune. Yeah, pwedeng masabotahe ito. Pwedeng masabotahe. Kung ano man yung gusto niyang mangyari sa connection nyo, mapatagal, maging okay, well, there's imbalance. It's like fighting the current. Hindi makago with the flow. Parang I have to force this. I have to do this. Mga ganyang bagay. So, di ba? Every time na dapat totoo yung love, genuine yung love, it's dapat smooth flowing, no? Walang pagpipilit, walang pangungontrol. So, ang nangyayari dito, kukontrolin niya yung connection. Kukontrolin niya or mamaniobrahin niya para lang maging okay. Kawawa itong taong to, Cancer. Yeah, see the justice in reverse. There's imbalance. Wala kasing totoo eh. Parang pumasok lang sa connection para masabi lang na may kakonek or para lang makatakas sa kung anumang kailangang takasan. Like that. Okay. Mga pababae, mga palalaki. There's no gender here. Okay. So, let's see. Anong advice for you? Cancer placements. Pagdating dito sa connection nyo na to, anong advice for you? The 5 of Cups. Move on. Oo. Okay, move on. Some of you, hindi pa talaga nakaka-move on. Yeah, Temperance in reverse. Wag mo nga hayaan na kumonek ka. Okay? Wag mo nga hayaan na kumonek ka sa kung kanino man kung hindi ka pa totally okay na umenter talaga sa isang connection. Hindi lang siya yung maapektuhan, kundi ikaw din. Okay, so yeah. See, the 5 of Swords. If ever nagugustuhin mong umenter no sa new connection, whether this is a past or new person, kung ano man yung issue na meron, dapat okay na yun eh. Dapat healed na. Sabihin nating, yeah, wala naman talagang nag-heal, pero dapat nasa process of healing. Ang nakikita ko dito, wala eh. Wala sa process ng healing. Ang nakikita ko dito is an escape. Wanting to escape. Kung ano man ang kailangan mong taguan, kailangan mong layuan. I don't know. Hindi mo hinaharap eh. So, i-hunt ka lang nito forever. Kung ano man. Okay? So, anyway. Yeah, sabi nga, you can run, but you can't hide. Okay? You can run, but you can't hide, Cancer. I don't know who needs to hear that, pero yeah. So all signs are through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, yeah, pati yung ating second YouTube channel po ha, na nasa description box below, o yung link. So, Aries through Pisces. Okay, so Aries is holding back. Some of them, they want to protect you, or you have to protect yourself from this Aries. Taurus, they want to release from stress. Okay, ayaw na nilang umiyak. Gemini, they see long-term connection. They see, sabihin nating progress with you. I'm hearing pregnancy with this Gemini. Cancer, so there's love. I think the Queen of Cups, this is somebody who loves themselves, or who loves themselves. Parang ganyan. So, Leo, Some of them, they're single. They're waiting for you. Virgo, they want a second chance or another chance. Libra, they're saying no. Okay? Hindi na nila makita na pwede kayong magkaroon ng progress. No? Scorpio, so this is an energy of self-love. Some of you, this is a new love. No? New love. Sabihin nating energy, parang ganyan. I don't know. Could be healing. Yeah, could be healing. Dito kay Scorpio. Maybe they're healing. Sagittarius. They have plans. Some of them, they're still hoping. Pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Capricorn. Feeling complete. Feeling contented. Like, content. Okay? Aquarius. There's no forcing or sabihin nating effort or no action na coming from this aqua. Pisces, trying to avoid, okay, kung ano man ya, maybe masaktan or talagang focus lang nito is yung sarili na lang muna. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. Cancer placements. Oo, so sorry naman. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.